Y'all already know my channel is about everything, a little bit of everything. So in today's video, I'm going to be bringing you guys into my kitchen. I recently shared with you guys a grocery haul for a family of 6, so I can't share a haul without bringing you guys into my kitchen to show you guys how I get it down. So today we're going to be cooking one of my all-time favorite, a Cameroon delicacy, country jama and fufu corn. Yes, you see that fufu corn? Yes, and some kati kati chicken. Even though my chicken is not brown, but this is how it's served. It's one of my favorite. You can just literally eat the fufu with that oil. The oil is very tasty. So guys, look at that chicken. I guess you guys are already salivating, like drooling, like you just want to eat. But let me show you guys the process, how I got it down like this. Come into my kitchen and let's cook together. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.
I am doing it my way, doing your way. We are doing it our way, cause we don't want no delay. Oh.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, welcome. My name is Barbara and I'm a US-based Cameroonian YouTuber, and if you're an oldie, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. So today we're gonna be cooking. It's a cook with me video. So what I'm gonna be cooking is vegetable and fufu, that's cornmeal. And I'm going to be cooking kati kati. That's how we call it in my home country. So this is a traditional meal. We have like different dialects, different tribes in my country. So this is one of the tribes called is it com this is their traditional meal. So I learned this. I might not be cooking this the perfect way, the most traditional way, but this is the way I do it, and I love it. We all love it. So it's absolutely one of my favorite meal. These are the ingredients I'm going to be using for this meal. I have my chicken here. It's all chopped medium size, and I'm going to peel it off, wash it, remove the excess fat, and I'm also going to remove the skin because I don't like the skin. Sometimes you can find like hair on it. I only like the skin when it's like put on the grill and it's like smoked. So I'm gonna remove that, not all of it, like the thighs. I'm not gonna touch that, but the other ones, like the ones that are really noticeable, I'm gonna remove that. And I have my huckleberry here in jama, country jama. Yes, during the vegetable season, during the vegetable season, like my mom will buy that and will fix it and she'll store it in the freezer. So I have it like mostly around the year. So if you're not doing that, you should start doing that when it's the season. She'll always make it and send it to me. So thank you mom for always looking out. Yes. And it's also my sister's favorite meal. Like she loves jama. Each time I go there, she doesn't want mom to give me because she don't want them to run short of it. So anyways, in here is just my fufu corn, my cornmeal. I store it in here. I just realized this is the only one I do have, so I'm gonna run to farmers market maybe tomorrow to get more fufu corn. And I have 2 sets of tomatoes right here. I'm gonna be using one for the vegetable and one for the chicken. And I have some pepper here. I'm not gonna be blending the pepper because the kids don't really eat pepper like that, so I'm just gonna squeeze it in mine. But I'm gonna put a little bit of pepper inside. And I have this is one of the main ingredients for this kati kati chicken. I have the CDC oil right here, back home straight from Cameroon. Yes, this is really good. As you can see, looks so rich. I remember this brought memories back into my head. Like I remember back in the days in the village, I used to do this, like make palm oil out of palm fruits. I used to make oil out of palm fruit. So when next I do travel to Cameroon, I'll probably bring you guys to my village so you guys can see that. And this cling wrap, I'm gonna use this to wrap up my fufu corn when it's done. And I need onions for both of this, the vegetable and the chicken. So I like to always chop my onions because sometimes each time I want to cook, I chop onions, it just gets into my eyes, so I rather face it once. So I like to like chop a bunch of onions. I don't think this one is gonna be enough. I need to chop more onions, so I'm gonna be using that. So I'm just gonna prep all this stuff and I'll come back and show you guys. The first thing I want to do is like fix my chicken and then put it in the pot. So I'll prep all of these things, the tomatoes, the vegetable, and chop more onions, and I'll come back and show you guys as I go. So yeah, let's get into the cooking process. And before I forget, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do hit on that red subscribe button down below. Don't forget to thumbs up the video and click on that notification bell so that each time I upload a video you will be notified. Yes, I have amazing content coming for you guys, so share the videos with your friends, your families, and anybody you think might find this helpful. Sorry, the kids are playing at the backyard, so you might get some noises, but that's just the way my life is. So let's jump into it. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Sometimes you wonder, how we survive, it no be easy, Them say we no go make am, Anything where you dey do, make you dey do one well, Everybody go talk am, nobody go help am, So make you know hear them, make you know mind them. Just dey do your thing your way. I am doing it my way, doing your way. We are doing it our way, cause we don't want no delay. Oh, we don't care what you gon' say. I am doing it my way, doing your way. We are doing it our way, cause we don't want no delay. We don't care what you gon' say. Oh, yeah, make una listen. Whether good or bad, make we thank God, One day it go better. Anything where you dey do, make you dey do one well, Everybody go talk at me, Nobody go help me, So make you know hear them, make you know mind them. Just dey do your thing your way. I am doing it my way, doing your way. We are doing it our way, cause we don't want no delay. We don't care what you gon' say. I am doing it my way, doing your way. We are doing it our way, cause we don't want no delay. We don't care what you gon' say. Mama, Daddy, Sister, Brother, Baby, Zangele, Mama, Zangele, Daddy, Zangele, oh, Sister, Zangele, Brother, Zangele. Anything where you dey do, make you dey do one well, Everybody go talk at me, Nobody go help me, So make you know hear them, make you know mind them. Just dey do your thing your way. I am doing it my way, doing your way. We are doing it our way, cause we don't want no delay. We don't care what you gon' say. I am doing it my way, doing your way. We are doing it our way.
Jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't practice if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. Got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up, the world is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
Feel uninvited, left you home in West LA, I'm not excited. So uninspired, on my way to play the bay while you're alone. This girl's a wonder, she loves me, yeah, she needs to know I love her. I wonder if we'll make it through this summer. Just wanna touch like back when we were younger. Yeah. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. I'm so divided, starstruck, but haters got some indecisive. I'm over fighting, I just can't wake up cold and sleep alone. This boy's some trouble. When he's around, my problems seem like double. His stupid eyes put me on ice, so no, no. Don't slow me down, don't wanna do this.
So guys, if you made it to the end of the video, you put in some work and you deserve to eat. So grab a seat, bring it closer, come closer, let's eat. If you don't like pepper, just take it out and let's eat. You deserve to eat because you put in some work. So how is it looking, guys? Let me know in the comment section if you will eat this type of meal. Personally, I eat this every day, all day. Coming from a country like Cameroon where we have so many delicacies, it's so hard to pick a favorite food, but this is one of my favorite. Like, I love this so much. All you need to cut fufu corn, you can just tap it on the oil and just swallow that. Ish, man, this is so good. I had an amazing time. Even now that I'm just editing, doing a voiceover, I'm still salivating on that. Look at that chicken. You just hold that leg and you can just bite on like, ooh, child. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see more cooking videos, let me know in the comment section below. You know, I dab into everything. My channel is a little bit of everything, so yeah, let me know in the comment section below what you like me to cook next. I mean, something I can do, you know. I'm from Cameroon. Have that in mind. So yes, guys, I love you guys so very much, and I do appreciate you guys for all your love and support. I see you in numbers. Like, we are growing, guys. We are truly growing. So let me just go before I continue to ramble. Again, that's a close-up. And one thing I want to mention, normally with this dish you don't have to use a lot of tomatoes. There should be more oil, but I did put more tomatoes because of the kids. They like to eat the fufu corn with tomatoes, so that works out for me. So you can tweak and turn it your own way.